Home Beer Brewery. Hello BrewTubers, and thanks for tuning in again on Home Beer Brewery's channel. Here I'm holding a package right out of Italy. I ordered myself some new toys for the brewery right off the website of BacBrewing.com. This flat and white box contains two filter discs for the Braumeister. One for the 10 liter version and one for the 50 liter version that I own. I ordered it right off the BacBrewing.com website, and I have to mention I have an invoice for this product. This is not sponsored, or I'm not making any advertisement. I'm just show you what I purchased. I have the invoice standing by. Let's open the box. I choose the standard shipping and it came within 3 working days, so that's pretty fast. Let's open the box. I'm going to skip forward because you all know how opening a box looks like. When the product is out, I will show you it. First of all, there's an instruction manual inside it and some explanation what BacBrewing did with the products, how they processed it. Can you see it? Very nice detailed information for the customer. I like it. Well, the filter disc, very well protected. I like the packaging. Haha, here we go. Ooh. It's heavy and you can see very shiny and nice stainless steel. Very thick. I don't know the exact dimensions of it, but it's really thick. You can bend it. It has a really nice shiny polish on it. Can you see it? Wow. And of course, screen on it is the large size, 1.5 millimeters. You can also purchase the one with the smaller holes in it, the finer mesh. But I liked this one, so this one is for the 10 liter Spider Braumeister. Awesome. And again, this one is slightly bigger. Wow. This is really nice material, guys. This is quality. And I have no problem with paying about 79 euros for this product. So what I'm holding here is 79 euros. So it's still the quality what I see. It's heavy, it's durable. I am for sure very thick stainless steel. It's a bargain in my opinion. This one 79 euros. And the smaller version for the 10 liter Spider Braumeister is 44.5 euros. Without the shipping. The shipping is excluded. This is footage of the real test with the yield increase disc. As you can see, the Braumeister is commanding to put in a mold pipe, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to place the original filter disc of Spider that came with the 10 liter version. I'm going to use a filter mesh screen of BacBrewing, the 1.5 millimeter version. The manual of the yield increase disc tells me to lock the mold pipe in place with the stainless steel bar and the wing nut, but I'm going to take my chance and I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put in the mold. As you can see, today I'm brewing a Weizen, so it's going to be a cloudy beer. And after filling the mold pipe and giving it a good stir, it's time to place the mesh screen on it that came with the yield increase disc, and then the yield increase disc itself. I'm going to lock it with the original wing nut that came with the Braumeister. Alright, 1 week later, beard is gone. I have the conclusion that this filter disc plate works very nice. The pre-boil gravity was 2 points higher than I normally have with my standard equipment, the original equipment of Spiral Brewmeister. BacBrewing self did a test with the 50-liter version of the filter disc plate. They provide the information on the sheet. Normally the Brewmeister holds about 13 kilograms of malts. With this filter disc, 16 kilograms. So there's 23% more malts inside the malt pipe. So they did already the calculations. You have to trust me, this is a really nice product. The thickness of the stainless steel is 3 millimeters, so it's very thick and durable. I told that earlier in this video. So 3 millimeter for the 10 liter version, 20 liter and a 50 liter version. So it will last a lifetime. Thank you guys for watching. Cheers, and remember, nothing is better than a good homebrew. Bye bye.